Thank you for viewing this featured home by Holly Blanchette. Located in Fox Lake, Illinois on Nippersink Lake, you will enjoy fabulous sunset views from this Chain of Lakes lakefront home. This beautiful home offers the best of everything, with a spacious dining room and living room with vaulted ceilings overlooking the lake. There are 2 sets of sliders leading to the large deck overlooking the water. The beautifully designed kitchen features plenty of counter space and a large pantry. The 3-bedroom home provides more than 1,700 square feet of prime living area with a huge first-floor bathroom and a laundry room. The lower-level basement is a well-designed workshop and storage area with its own exterior door. This home has ample parking and boat storage, along with your own private pier, 2 covered motorized shore stations, and a pontoon boat for cruising or just relaxing on the water. With city sewer and water, this is the perfect year-round home or second home. Now's the perfect time to live the life you've been dreaming of, and call Holly Blanchette today.